Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
So I was saying that I am so proud that I am not an artist. All right, I am not an artist. I am not somebody who is so much into entertainment, but I have concepts. All right, when Majek came back to Edo State for the very first time after 10 years, he has been gone. I was one of the persons that made it happen. Majek Fashek was hosted in my place that I created behind the Oba Casual Cultural Center called the Heritage Event Center. It was on February 2017, February 14, 2017. When we came there, made it happen. Majek was there. It was a unity among the family. We took Majek to meet some of his family that was in Benin. It was a beautiful thing. So we have been able to use our platform to boost entertainment. You have seen our celebrating the icons, where we celebrate people like Fabomo, Paul Sayomere Joseph. This is a good initiative. I am not the commissioner of entertainment in Edo State, but I've been able to create smiles. I've been able to make an impact in entertainment in Edo State. So Majek is a very big, I'm a big fan of Majek. He's somebody that I pray for every time. You know, he's a great legend. You know, somebody that made us so proud, but things are not so well the way they used to be. All right, but I want to continue to encourage each and everyone that the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. I want to continue to encourage you that the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. You can be in your living room, you can be in your room, you can be anywhere in the world, constantly looking for ways to bring down your brothers, to bring down your sisters. I want to tell you that you are bringing yourself down. You are bringing yourself down if you continue, if your only job, all right, after you have worked 10 hours a day, while you are at work, you are constantly thinking of what you can do, you are constantly looking for things you can say to make people angry. You are only fooling yourself. Because at the end of the day, you are putting more energy. It takes more energy to plant evil than to do good. It takes more energy to plant evil towards someone than to just ignore them or to just love them. I can be walking by, I see you, hey Dion, or hey Frank, or hey Harry. That's easy. But when you start planning evil against people, you will see that you consume more time, even try to plan it. So we should always learn that it is a greater love. It is greater to show love than to practice hate. Jonosage is full of love. Jonosage is full of unity. Jonosage is full of forgiveness. But I don't forget. It's my attitude. People like to say forgive and forget. That's your choice. If you want to forgive people and forget, hey, it's good. I do not forget, because if I forget, you may use or you may do again the things I forgave you of. So if you mess up once, I put you on my blacklist. I'm coming. Excuse me, Davis. Sorry. How far now? You know the origin. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's do small here. You understand? So if you mess up once, I'll put you on my blacklist, and I can wait for 20 years to ask you. And that's my attitude. I'm not saying you should be like me. I'm just saying that this is my attitude. Alright, so on that note, we are going to listen to a little bit of Majek Fashek.
This song is dedicated to the coronation.
One love. Invite your friends, share this video. People that watch us never want to share our video because, hold on, people that watch us don't like to share our video because you don't want people to know that you are secretly watching the Onosage. You don't share our videos because you don't want people to know that you are secretly admiring me. It's not a crime, man. When you love something, support it. It is an act of selfishness. It is an act of stupidity. It is an act of jealousy that you are watching me. You know that what we are doing is good. You will never share our work. But every day you are on my social media page looking for things you can pick and take to the palace. Looking for words I can say wrong to make me look bad. But you, when we donated a mighty 40 rooms building as a free school, you did never say to Osage, congratulations. You never did. Right? When we successfully renovated so many schools, so many houses, you never say well done. But you will take the most little thing and try to use it against us. I think that's hate. That's not right. That's not right. But we are not frightened. We are not frightened about the tribulation, because we understand that for a man, for every man to be great, you must face a lot of trials and tribulation. They say, now only ripe mango, now they collect stones. If you are not ripe, if there was Sage was nobody would care about me. And that's the truth. So in the meantime, enjoy this music. I'll be right back.
2, 3, 4, 8, 0.
Jack Duamo. No lights. No lights. See, at this house, I don't fresh well. No lights, so we don't use this. Alright, let me quickly hail some of our followers. The more, let's see. Okay, let's start with Unbreakable Precious. I see you. Thank you so much. Prince, I see you. Princess Osage, I see you over there. Princess Juliet. Oh, Princess Juliet, how are you? Alright, I see all you guys over here. Let's go up. Okay. Let them talk. Now, then they're useless, man. Of course, that's normal. We don't get used to that one. Listen, guys. Since 2017, I have won the award of the most talked about person in the universe. Since 2017, I have won the award. Okay, let me not say the universe, but at least in Edo State. Since 2017, I have done that. There is nothing anybody can possibly say about me that have not been said before. There's absolutely nothing, guys. What have they not called me? Who have they not insulted? They have done to the point whereby they take my name to juju, and the month that they took my name to juju.
1, 5, 1, 2.
My mom. Hello, mommy. Okay, mistake is out now. Oh yeah. Are we done? So Donnie, yeah, I'll talk to you later. Alright, so let's continue here. I just want, this is an appreciation day for all you supporting John Osagie. It's an appreciation day, reporting live from Lagos. I just want to appreciate you all for your support. Okay, Ogo man, I see you over there. Alright, Austin, oh man, Austin, thank you man. Every time I see the name Austin, I remember my dad. Alright, my dad's name was Austin and he was living in Austin, Texas. So every time I see that name Austin, I always think of my dad, man. You know, may his soul rest in peace. I'm sure that wherever he is, he's extremely proud of me. I am not a perfect young man. I am not a perfect young man. I never said I was perfect, guys. I am not a perfect young man. I never said I was perfect, and I don't want to be perfect. So if you are waiting for a perfect John Osagie, you may wait forever, man. If you are waiting for a perfect John Osagie, you may wait forever, because I don't want to be perfect, and that's real, man. All right? Let me clean my face. If you are waiting for a perfect John Osagie, you may wait forever, because I have said that I do not want to be perfect, because being perfect takes a lot of work. To be perfect takes too much work. I have tried it. I have tried to be perfect. This one will call me John Osagie, you have to do it like this. John Osagie, you have to do it like this. I receive, believe me, I receive 1 million advices every day from different people, from different opinions. But as a man, as a young man, at what point are you going to realize that you have to make your own decisions? What point are you going to realize? This one will talk to you, say, John Osagie, don't listen. No. I have decided that I do not want to be a perfect young man, because I learned that trying to be perfect is too difficult. I have decided to live the way I want to live. If you cannot accept my imperfection, then you don't need to be my friend. You don't need to support my dreams. Until you learn to support John Osagie imperfection and see John Osagie imperfection perfectly, you may never understand me. You will be crying every day, you will be nagging every day, saying that John Osagie don't listen, we are advising, we do it. No, I don't need your advice. All I want you to do is pray with me, pray for me. I am not hurting anybody. Nobody can come out on social media or in the past 10 years that can say John Osagie did this to me. Nobody can come out in the last 10 years to say John Osagie did this to me. That's why I hate him. I have not done anything to nobody. All I do every day is wake up and think of the change I can create. I don't have a boring day. Every day when I wake up, I think of the change I can create, how I can improve myself, how I can improve my family, and how I can improve my community, because that is a part of my dream. Part of my dream is to see how I can improve my community. The records are there. The records are there when about 7 years, 8 years ago, that I did a video talking about education. But 8 years later, we created a school. It's a dream come true for me. So if I stop helping people today, if I stop Gospel Foundation, I have fulfilled my dream. So dear people, learn to support people who have a dream and accept them for who they are. Yeah, you have got to. You have got to accept people for who they are if you truly love them. Because love is defined as seeing people the way they are. That's love. If you are not liking John Osagie because he talks arrogant, if you are not liking John Osagie because he's too prideful, if you are not liking John Osagie because he's insultive, then something is wrong with you, not me. I'm just trying to encourage you all to see my imperfection perfectly, because you are not perfect. I am so proud, I am so glad that everyone in the past who have criticized, who have insulted, who have mocked, they are the ones now fighting themselves, and that's God. Yeah, I'm so proud to say that everyone who have insulted, who have assumed, who have labeled, who have deformed our characters are not the one fighting themselves. Law of karma, man. Law of karma. You reap what you sow. If you reap bad, you are going to get bad. If you reap good, you are going to get good. That's what I'm looking at. I believe in karma. That is why we are sowing all this beautiful seed, that even if we are not here tomorrow, our children will get to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Of course. Of course. We are not only working for our generation. If by now the only work we have done with God Sent Foundation is all we have done, all right? If all we have done, I am very, very confident my children will not suffer, because there are millions of people around the world that I have touched their hearts to become more kind. The work is not easy. You give to witcher, you give to witch, you give to wizard, you give to everybody, risking your own very life. If not for God, if men were God, the Osage will live no more, because there are so many persons who wake up every morning to pray that we do not see a better day. As much as you are praying for Genosage to succeed, believe me guys, there are people who are also praying that, hey, the boy now, talk about one day, this boy will see. There are, but the love of God, the power of God oversees every power in the world. I am God sent. I truly believe that God has sent me to rescue my people, man. I truly believe that God has sent me to rescue my people. Like the story of Joseph. The Onosage story will become like the story of Joseph, sold by his own brother out of jealousy and hate. The Onosage story will someday become like the story of Joseph in the Bible, that was sold by his own brothers. He was sold, man, put in the pit, dragged in the mud. But he became a king. He became a king that those brothers who sold him became his subject. They bowed to him. Dear friends, for as many people jealous of us, for as many people hating us, for as many people wishing bad luck on us, they shall beg for us to forgive them. They shall beg for us to forgive them. They shall mock them the way they have mocked us. They shall beg for food. I mean, it's a fact. It's a karma. It's a simple ideology, man. Here's a white cloth, man. Your brother is here. Your brother is here on top. You are down here, obviously. You are pulling your brother to go down. As your brother is going down, you are going down. It's a simple arithmetic, guys. Here is me. Here is Genosage. And here is, let's use Chihuahua. Alright? Here is Genosage. Here is a dog named Chihuahua. Chihuahua is going down. You are pulling Genosage to go down. Woo, woo. As the Genosage is going down, you are going to go down. And when it goes to the point whereby the Genosage cannot go anymore, the Genosage will obviously step on you and crush you. But if you are lifting the Genosage up, the Genosage is going, and you are pushing him up, automatically you are going up as well. Let's learn to give each other accolades when it's due. If you see somebody doing something that you cannot do, all you can do is to support him. All you can do is to promote him. All you can do is to shut up and don't say nothing. I want to give a big shout out to every member of God Sent Foundation around the world. I am so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself. I am so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself. You should be proud that we took a mental health girl who lived with the mother and the niece, Favor, yeah, who lived a mental health girl who was so violent. Think about it. Think about the physical miracles we have created in just a few months. A mental health girl named Blessing, living with the mother, terrorizing the whole neighborhood. Because of the girl we want to sponsor favor, we decided to check on her. A night before we checked on her, she almost set the house on blaze. She was tied up. She's violent. She could not even hold her baby Destiny because she always threatened to kill the baby. We went there, we rescued her. We took her to a shelter, and a few days later, we are together. Few days later, we are together. They came to our office, and she's able to carry her baby and even smile at her. That is God. That is God. Or you want to talk about the cancer woman we are currently dealing with? She has been sick of cancer. She needed about 300,000 since February 2019, over a year ago. Over a year ago, she needed about 300,000 naira to treat her cancer. So for a year, they have been looking for money until she came to our office. In 30 minutes, we raised 800,000 naira to support her. Is that not a beautiful thing? What is wrong with that? What is wrong with God sent family coming together to support a woman who needed just a little bit of funds? We have done that. Even as we have done that, there are some persons who were still not happy about that. Or you want to talk about our God sent kitchen, where we feed people every Saturday, and we have done it 115 times, not one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have been consistent 115 times. You can call us Hunger Hero. We have proven that we can get the job done. Or you want to talk about the statue of Aruan Okemezi, one of the most told story in Benin Kingdom that was left abandoned. You have seen it on my social media. The story of Aruan, the only place that signified the Aruan Okemezi in Udo, was abandoned. It was renovated in just 3 days. We did that this year. Or you want to talk about the 86-year-old grandma who did not even have a crutches to walk on. We bought her crutches, we fixed her house, we bought her a bed, we gave her a TV, and we also put her a monthly stipend. Is that not something to be happy about? So please, my people, let's continue to practice togetherness. Let's continue to practice love. Is what I stand for. I hate nobody. I got nothing but love for you all. That's one thing they fail to understand, my man Don King. Who don't big, accept it. Who don't big. You cannot expect everybody to be on your standard, man. You cannot expect because somebody is driving a Range Rover, you want to drive a Range Rover. No, that is why they have different grades of vehicles. Some persons can drive a Range Rover, you can drive a Honda Civic, or you can drive a Kia. The biggest problem we have in this world is that jealousy. When people see you doing something that is productive, that is good, they also want to do it to be like you. No, everybody have different grace. There is a possibility that if I was not doing what I am doing today, I may not be successful at it because that's not my calling. This is what God has gifted me with, to be a blessing to my generation. My name says it all. Osa Odion Osagi. God sent, God first. So please, don't try to change it, guys. Alright? Thank you so much. Kindness Tom, thank you so much. Thank you. Meg Omuda Obas, God bless you too, my lovely sister. Mikey Doaosa, I love you. I love you. Felicia Imafidon, I see your comment. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. You guys support, the support from you guys, I have been able to live my dream because of the support you guys give to me. Obviously, I cannot do it alone. We raised over 800,000 naira for the cancer lady. We raised over 800,000 naira for the cancer lady. She's currently in admission. I met her, it was just last week. Somebody that has been looking for money for over a year. But within 1 week, we find a solution. That is a beautiful thing. It takes grace. Some people will say that the Olosage, they are sending you money. If you think that it is easy for you to ask and you are giving, you try it. If you think that the Olosage is making billions from our charity work, you also now start it and do it and see how easy it is. So thank you all, man. Thank you all. Oduware, I see you. Frank Etu, God bless you. God bless you so much. Oh, happiness. Thank you. Thank you. Joanna Nobakare. I saw a video of you dancing. Joe, where we go? Hey, see my sister. Joanne, you dance like this, like Pepe. Joanne say, ooh. I say, eh? Now this that dance, Joanne say, eh? Joanne, I see the video. I watch her live. When they dance, I dance past you. Not go there. When you come back again, we'll do dancing competition. All right. Royal Rose, I see you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Let's read some comments. All right. I want to quickly give a shout out to Balance and Sandra and Victor, Mama Ruth, all you guys that hosted the last God Sent Kitchen. I want to thank you so much for your contribution. God bless you. Because of you, so many families were not hungry. It's not easy now for mama or pikin or youth to come wait 2-3 hours to get one plate of food. My guy, they need them. Some persons will say, oh, Dion, these people don't look hungry. No, how do you know a hungry person? There are many young people working out there. They don't have 200 naira in their pockets. Thank you so much for being a blessing to so many families around the world. I appreciate you. Continue to support me. Continue to do your best to promote our work. Please, if I say something wrong, don't hold it against me. Look at our good part. Look at the work we are doing. Look at the practical, not just mere words, guys. If you judge me by my words instead of my action, it means that you never truly supported me.
1, 3, 5.
It means that
6, 4.
if you judge me based on my action, it means that you never, my words instead of my action, it means that you never truly supported me. A typical example is a son insulting the father. A typical example, a son now say he insult his father with a mere word. But now the same son now went ahead and do his father so much good. Build his father his house, gave his father his car. I am very, very confident that that father will forgive that son, because he, as a father, needs to look at the practical of his son, not his words. People can say anything when they are angry. It doesn't mean that they actually mean it. People can say so many things when they are angry, but it doesn't mean that they mean it. And that's how I see myself. A lot of us have mental heads. Like this evening now, let's say my colo don't start, because you see I don't vibrate, because I have been on generator all day. There are different stages of mental head, guys. Right now, I don't know what they call this my stage. I think it's called mental heads. I don't know, because it's sick, man. I'm not living comfortably, man. I'm not. I need to live comfortably, you know. But we love the challenge. We love the fact that we are able to do it, to also inspire others to come home and do something. Do something. Despite the fact that it is more advantage for you to invest in the country where you are going to live in the next 20, 30 years. Yeah, of course. If you know you are not going to live in Nigeria in the next 30 years, there's absolutely no need for you to put majority of your investment here. But then again, they can also deport you from that country you are living in, even with your residency or your passport. It's very, very possible. A citizen of any country can be revoked. All right? All right, let's continue to go. I see so many comments here. Bro, I beg, no verse. Just continue because of God. Of course, we are not stopping, man. We are not stopping. All Basel smart. Who is that?
2, 8.
Hello. I greet you. Where? Hey, Joanna. 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 I greet you. Joanna. Wow, Sayo, he a musician. Yeah, Jacob. Greeting you for me. I hear it now. Call you, what up, babe? Call you, what up, babe? I greet you, mama. What up, babe? Call you, mom. Amen. Where's he? I appreciate the love. Amen. Joanna. Ugwagbe no ake wodo. See the way you done like pepper. Hey, I say which kind? One love. All right, that's one of my big supporter, Joanna. Joanna, thank you so much for your love. I so much appreciate you. Listen, man, if you send me a message, I don't get back to you on time. It's not my fault, guys. I am really trying. Every day, people reach out to me for support. People reach out with me with different problems, and we are just trying our best to make things happen for everyone, while we also deal with our very family need. You know, it's not easy. A big shout out to my lovely wife, Mrs. Winifred Osage, always there to support me in prayers. It's not easy. It is not easy for a young man to leave such a pretty angel to fulfill some dreams. All right? Excuse me.
1.
Joe. Yeah, I heard everything now. Yes, now I'm live. That's why I said let me call you when I'm done. Yeah. No, wala, mama. I greet you. I greet you, man. I believe you. He believe you, Egbe. He believe you, Egbe. Who don't go. I know your voice. I know mama's voice. I tell for you where we go that corner near after Ajah Bazaar area. I believe you. No wala. Gabon was that. Thank you. Yes. Where failing now? I believe you, my sister. No, I believe you. God will help you. God will help you, sis. No wala. No, I didn't see it, sis. I'm sorry. I can never ignore you. I'm sorry, sis. You know I receive a lot of calls. I'm sorry. Most times if you drop me a message, I will definitely call you back. No problem. God will help you, sis. God will help you. I appreciate you. Okay, not to help anybody. May I tell you about hey, Joanna. Joanna. A music in here happen no da ya live studio. In your live studio no do well. Joanna, in your last studio, Abel, Marie, in first Akaba, in my always song, you know. Joe, I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I gotta go now. I gotta go. No walla, sis. No walla. We'll call later. All right. I appreciate you, sis. I appreciate. Yeah. That's my chief. That's Chief Izobo. I talk by him. Yeah, he said, Baba, I talk by him. That's Chief Izobo of Benin Kingdom. Okay, Baba. You are right, sir. No more. Thank you so much. You are correct, sir. You are correct, sir. You said, Baba. Who else say, Baba? What talk by? That's Chief Izobo. What talk by?
Foundation. Also with my foundation and the other group foundation. Yana Bona Manama is one of them. Bonama
Okay, Baba. Yeah, man. You are 100% correct. Okay, Baba. Okay. Yes. I appreciate you for your accolades, man. Thank you so much. That's all I need. Omo awe mi say I need one level. Me more courage. You know, continue to go. Omo mi say I don't think that's fair. So I really appreciate you, man. You are my lovely brother. Thank you so much. I greet you, bro. We are together. Once I come to Benin now, you are the first person I will see. Let's see. Domo. All right. So that's Chief Izobo. If you don't know Chief Izobo, it means that you don't know one of the very, very peaceful people in Benin. If you don't know Chief Izobo, it means that you do not know one of the very, very peaceful people in Benin. He also have a charity home. If you go to this man charity home, the children is taking care of them. You say, wow. Many of you don't know him. Let me show you guys the person I'm talking about. Please go and check this guy out. Imagine I say, go and check this guy out. Why we do change it? America now, the previously cut that part and say, if they call chief guy, if they talk, yeah, do, okay, Izobo. I want to show you Chief Izobo, who just called me now. Great guy. Go and follow his charity organization. He's also there. This is him. His page. Look at him. Great guy. Very, very, very loving man. He just said that he appreciates every God-sent family, what we are doing around the world. I mean, I think that's very, very fair. I think that our contribution to Edo State is making Edo a beautiful place. No matter how you look at it, if it is only one person that we are helping every year, it is making Edo a beautiful place. So thank you so much, my brother, my friend, Izobo Chief. All right. This morning, I received a call from Chief calling for peace in Benin Kingdom. He's a very, very top chief in Benin. He's a very, very top chief, and his decisions matters a lot. I received a call for him calling for peace among every Edo citizen around the world, and I think it's a step forward in the right decision. It is what I stand for. In 2017, those of you who know me, I went around the Europe countries. I traveled over 40 cities in Europe, preaching the same goal of Akugbe. Talking to my brother Chief Izobo has encouraged me more to continue to do the good work we are doing in Edo State. No one living in Edo can say they don't see our work. If you say you don't see our work, it simply means that you are blind. Even blind people now see our work, because there have been a lot of blind persons who came to our office seeking for help because they knew that we can help them. We spoke with my brother, Chief Iwan Soba Omede in Germany. I spoke with Prince Igion in Amsterdam. We was trying to connect our brother Itro, but that line did not go through. All these are our brothers. When I was in Germany, Chief Omede was one of the persons who hosted me. I did not go to anybody's house. I only went from my hotel to Chief Omede's house. I met his beautiful family. The wife gave me a bottle of champagne that me and my friend Osazuwa, we took that bottle of champagne to the different city we went to. The wife also gave me money. They made food for me. I am not a person who do not appreciate. Our problem started when we had the Royal Army, all right? Everywhere we go, in America, Royal Army or Royal Army. I was curious. I mean, my office is the closest office to the Oba of Benin Palace. As much as you will look at it, I also have my own persons inside the palace who I can easily get information from. I started entering the palace in 2012 when I visited Oba Erediawa. The photos are there. So I have my own little link into the palace. So I asked my people, what is Royal Army? And they told me that there was no Royal Army in the palace. But at this time, the Royal Army saga was giving a lot of persons distress. Because a message from Royal Army, a message from Royal Army. I needed to do my own finding to really know who was Royal Army. When I did my finding and found out that there was no Royal Army, if you follow me long enough, you'll see that I made that post. I said there is no Royal Army in the palace, maybe Royal Security. But anyhow, my brother Chief Omede now reached out to me on WhatsApp saying that this is the history of Royal Army, and I did a research. There were Royal Army. There were Royal Army back in the days. Alright, so maybe they were trying to form the group again, but then the group or the Royal Army was not recognized in the palace. So they could not fault me for that. So I came out there, told my people about the Royal Army that is not in the palace. Since that day, I think that's when my brother Chief Omede got angry at me because, I don't know, for whatever reason, but whatever the reason may be, I want him to know that for the very fact that my first time in the city of Aachen in Germany, he was one of the first persons who welcomed me. I drove in his car. He took me to the border of Germany and Belgium. Is it Belgium or Holland? Chief Omede drove me in his car, in a sport car. He took me, he drove me around. That is enough for me to say, my brother, I love you. For my brother, thank you for your time. For a man with family to live 2-3 hours of his time to show me around the city is something I've got to appreciate. So technically, I never have issue with my brother Omede. I want you to know that I love you so much. If I have ever offended you, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. You understand? We must work together now to make Edo a better place. Yes, we must work together now to make Edo a better place, because Akugbe or Geleeti, when you as a chief, you join hands with me to showcase our work, to promote our work, of course we are going to do more good. We are going to extend our good to Oselu. We are going to extend our good to Ugbowo. We can make this change happen. A big shout out to my man, Prince Igion, who was also one of the persons who specially prayed for me when I was invited to Holland by the Edo Union of Amsterdam. Prince Igion was there praying for me. So why is it that we have all productive Edo people around the world, instead of us to come together for a common goal of love, we are busy fighting each other? Omakeke, you think about it. Instead of us to come together to effect a change, a transformation, we are busy fighting each other. We are busy looking for ways to bring each other down. It's not called for. The Onosage is not the problem of Edo State. I am a solution. I am not the problem of Edo State. I am a solution. If I stop living in Edo State, I have nothing to lose. If I stop doing my work in Edo State, I have nothing to lose. I can take the job to Lagos, I can take it to Imo State, and I will still do the same work I do. But charity begins at home. As I speak to you right now, I have an office in Umuduba Kingdom. As I speak to you now, the Eze of Umuduba Kingdom gave me an office in his palace. You have seen it. So please, let's continue to love each other. Let's continue to gather to each other. And this goes out to every of my brothers and sisters around the world that I have ever offended, which I do not know, because I'm very, very easygoing. If you call me and tell me, Jonosage, what you did is wrong, I am going to apologize to you. If I offend you, I am not so prideful to apologize. But the only issue I have is that when you threaten to do something, I will make sure that you do that thing before I forgive you or before I become your friend. That's the only issue I have. I do not take threat friendly. If you tell me, Jonosage, if you do this thing, so if you tell me that, Jonosage, if you do this thing, I'm going to do you like this. I am going to do that thing just to see what you can do. And that's my attitude. I don't know if it's wrong, but that's just the way I am. So on that note, I am saying that for every Edo person, every Nigerian, every African, every American that feel offended by just living my dream, I want to say that I'm sorry. I love you. I got nothing but love for you. So please, stop trying to kill yourself over the Jonosage matter, because every night I sleep so well. I sleep well every single night. I don't have a bad night, because you out there looking for ways, planning, talking, insulting the Jonosage family. You are only insulting yourself. Yes, if you go out there to insult somebody who have not insulted you, who have no business with you, directly, you are insulting yourself. You are making yourself look bad. So let's continue to practice that. I want to say that every God-sent family, we must continue to respect the Oba of Benin. We must continue to respect the palace. We must continue to respect every chief in Benin Kingdom. Look at the biggest picture in my office in Benin. Is the picture of the Oba of Benin. The biggest picture in my office is a picture of the Oba of Benin. So if you love me, you must respect the palace. If you love me, you must respect the Oba of Benin. If you love me, you must respect those persons. The Oba of Benin have said, these are my chiefs. Because if you disrespect a palace chief, automatically you are disrespecting the entire kingdom. Because those chiefs represent the Oba of Benin. So please, my people, I am not a violent young man, which you all know. I am just a real young man. I express my opinion, I voice my opinion, and that is that. I let it go. So on that note, I want to say a big thank you to all you guys who have been supporting Jonosage. We are going to continue our good. Enjoy the music for now. You know, I don't have a father anymore. So all you guys who are older than me, you are my father. All right, so I don't have a father anymore. All you guys who are older than me, you are my father. I expect you as a father to correct me where I'm wrong. I expect you as a father to support me even when I'm wrong. I expect you as a mother to love me even when I mess. Osayomore said, beat my child for me. I'm just kidding. You understand? So let's continue to love ourselves. Let's continue to respect our land. Let's continue to respect our kingdom. I shared a video this morning when I was in Aachen. Go and listen to that video from 30 minutes and up. 2017, I have been speaking about unity. I have been talking to my people on how we can come together and unify. All right? So on that note, I think that chapter is closed. All right? Please let love lead, guys. Let love lead. Love is the answer. All right? Support me. If I have a project, support. We have many good projects, man. We have Go Sports. We have Go Sport where we encourage young people to play soccer. They do that every Saturday. I have not been able to go there because the coach is very responsible. We have Go Farm. We have a farm. And we are also trying to empower a young man who came to our office sometime last week with a farm. We have a Godsend Kitchen, right? We have skill acquisition. We have our healthcare program. All right? Very, very soon I'm going to be surprising you with our Godsend Clinic. It's partially done. I have been working behind the scene until I surprised you with that. My dream was to open it on my last birthday, but things did not go the way I planned. But we are going to open it this year definitely, okay? A Godsend Clinic where people can get first aid care for free. It will be the first free health care in Edo State. You know, very, very basic health care. In case you have headache, you can go for Panadol. In case you have basic, we can make all these things happen, okay? So we are working on that. A Godsend School is still there. I recently, just last week, I paid all my teachers at Godsend School. We currently have about 13 staffs working at the Godsend School. We paid everybody this month because we understand that the COVID-19 have affected them so well, so we paid them salary. Just yesterday, I sent every staff of Godsend Foundation 10,000 naira accolade support. I told them to take today and tomorrow off because we work 12 days straight. They've been working with me. They work 12 days straight. We've been working since last Monday all the way to, we work 12 days straight. So I said, you know what, they can take Monday and Tuesday off and you know, come back on Wednesday. So we do a lot of good things that is working. We also have our diaspora real estate. We are currently allocating plots in diaspora real estate. We have so much good things coming. Of course, there's something big coming. My wife and I, we're starting a very, very big brand, health and beauty brand. We are coming out with a very, very big brand, Mrs. Winifred Osage. Be on the lookout for the next big thing. All right, we're taking over, man. We're taking over, and don't be jealous of that. All right, health and beauty. If you're not already following our queen, Mrs. Win Win, very loving woman, a woman who have actually, I mean, I really think that every man deserves a good wife like my wife. That's the way I feel. I feel that every man deserves a good wife like my wife because my wife is a good woman, man. No matter how much you have insulted her, no matter how much you have gossiped her, no matter how much you have mocked her, she have not said a word. I beg, me not clap for her. I beg. Because I'm not even that patient. She's too patient. They have insulted her, goat, tiger, apapayanga, scorpion, lizard. Everybody have insulted her, insulted the family out of jealousy of me. Not because I have done them anything wrong, but they are doing it just to get to her. But she's so strong. She's even stronger than me. So a big shout out to her. If you're not already following her, please go follow her page. Support her. Something big is coming. And that's my time. I want to say that I love you. Continue to support us. On Wednesday is another day at the Godsend Foundation. Blessing will be anchoring because I will not be in Edo State yet. But over the weekend, I'll be live in Benin City. Show me some love. Love me. Please. I know that a lot of kidnappers and armed robbers, you continue to watch me. Please, guys, I not get money. I beg. Now beg I did. I know there are a lot of kidnappers and armed robbers who watch us every day, mapping our movement. Bro, please, allow me to help my people. Alright? Allow me to help my people, okay? So that's it for today. I love you guys so much. Let's go there. One love. All right, my man Eugene, I see you. Eugene in Toronto, Canada. I see you. Omonomuse. One love. Thank you. Eva Vida, my beautiful queen. Sandra Mansi King Enogi. Happy birthday. You just had a birthday. Love it. Love it. Thank you for supporting us. All right, if you're having another birthday this week, if you're having your birthday, please contact us. Your 50,000 naira, 60,000 naira can feed over 100 persons. It's a beautiful thing. All right, it's a beautiful thing that people are able to eat because of your birthday. This coronavirus, you cannot celebrate. Even if you can celebrate, it's better you celebrate with people who cannot eat than spending $500 to rent a hall, inviting people, they get drunk and go home. That's not celebration. Celebrate and give back to the community. So please, we have a God Sent Kitchen every Saturday. If you'd like to support that, reach me on my WhatsApp 0705 1938 417 0705 1938 417, a God Sent Kitchen. Or you can bring us the material. If you don't want to send us money, you just get us a bag of rice, a carton of turkey, oil, and ingredient, and we have people on ground already doing the cooking. All right. Okay. Osaro Epa, you beg too much. That is very bad of you. All right, if that's how you feel, if I have to beg so that the people can eat, I will continue to beg. If that offends you, please, my brother Osaro, stop watching me, because I have said this before, that it is the highest level of stupidity to be watching somebody you don't agree with. It's costing you money and time. It is not cheap to watch data, man. You know, it is costing you money, it is costing you time, but you are watching me. Wise up, man. I'm not going to block you today, but next time I can help you. All right. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Let me read some comments before I go. All right, Vanessa. That thing you just announced, go shake Facebook. Which one? Which I announce again? Vanessa, that our only God sent woman will get baby. Only Vanessa, that be woman will get baby. You get baby like Chief Ado, are we? All right. Ifunaya, love it. A big time supporter, long time supporter. I don't even know how do you do this top fan. I need to make some persons top fan. Okay. Andrew Sylvester, Dion, because you are a Shorty boy, you didn't measure my That's so funny. Okay, so you be Shorty boy. Okay, I now be Shorty. May I play my boy Don VS. Oh man. Okay, Jola Scott. What's the number again? Alright, the number is 0705 1938 417. That's my direct line, but it's best for you to reach me on WhatsApp. 0705 1938 417. It's best for you to reach me on WhatsApp, okay? I see you over there. Ege, go slow. Ege, that always going slow. Slow and steady wins the race. I love you, my beautiful sister in Boston, Massachusetts. Esther Imagbe, thank you so much for your support. God bless you. Sonia Emovon. Sonia, I see you today. Where they dance again? You know that your dance, when they dance from Manchester, Sonia is in Manchester. She's popularly known as Mama Dollar. Anytime she see me, she'll say, John, wait. She will have to spray him. But lately, Mama Dollar, send me dollar. Okay, I will even send you message because that's the way you send me money rich. I will send you message after. Mama Dollar, they Facebook today. Why be saying I also dance? Mama Dollar, they dance for every time she dey ask. She just did that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Pepper them. Mama Dollar, ooh. I love you so much, my sister. When I was in Manchester, when DJ Bobby did a program for me, she was one of the major supporter over there. Big shout out to my man KPO in Manchester. All you guys, DJ Bobby in Manchester, all you guys in Manchester, Susan, my cousins, all you guys, I love you. Pat Igbeins, God bless you too, man. God bless you. Gida Love, Ida Osa, Gida Love, thank you so much for your love and support. Gida, one love. Thank you so much. Sinita Jennifer, hello, keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Thank you. Unbreakable Precious. It's Adun. I see you. Alright, one love, my people. I gotta go now. I can't heal everybody, but know that every day I think of you. Know that every day I pray for you. Know that every day I appreciate every atom of support that you support me from the depth of my heart. On behalf of my lovely wife, Mrs. Winifred, I want to say thank you. I want to say we appreciate you. I want to say that those people who wanted us to fail, they are already failures. Look at their life and look at us. Those people who were praying, who were fighting till today, till tomorrow, waiting to see us fail, we are going to continue to embarrass them with the constant blessing of God. Every closed door that we are struggling to open shall open for us, as many of you that will share this video right away. All the good things that you are looking for will start looking for you. They will be chasing you. Those persons that mock us, those persons that say we cannot do this, those persons that say we cannot do, they shall watch us and shine. And those things that they mock us about, if they have it, they shall lose it. My people, let's continue to practice love. Let's continue to practice togetherness. And that's my time. I love you once more. Peace.